1979 GMC Sierra C15. Price: $15,000. Location: Deerfield Beach, Florida. The 1979 GMC Sierra C15 proves that not every classic truck needs a flawless paint job to steal the spotlight. This short-bed, single-cab pickup embraces its authentic patina, giving it decades of character while maintaining an aggressive custom look. Instead of covering its history, the owner preserved it with a fresh coat of clear, creating a truck that looks like it has lived an incredible life while remaining protected for years to come. It's the perfect blend of classic American muscle and modern street truck style. The heart of the Sierra is a dependable inline six-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a rare 3-speed manual transmission. With just 86,000 miles on the odometer, this truck is built for drivers who appreciate simplicity and reliability. According to the seller, it starts easily, drives exceptionally well, and delivers the kind of confidence that makes every cruise enjoyable. Sometimes the most memorable classic vehicles aren't the fastest. They're the ones you can simply get in and drive anywhere. The list of recent upgrades is impressive. The truck features a brand new fuel tank, a new fuel sender, fresh spark plugs, a new air filter, and an entirely updated gauge cluster. Inside, nearly everything has been renewed, including the dashboard, door panels, and bench seat. The blue interior complements the white exterior beautifully, creating a clean cabin that feels fresh, while still honoring the truck's original personality. The exterior has also received serious attention. Riding on brand new 20-inch wheels and tires with fewer than 50 miles of use, this Sierra has an unmistakable stance. A professionally installed 4/7 suspension drop with a C-notch gives the truck a low, aggressive profile without compromising drivability. Every angle showcases a custom build that was carefully planned rather than rushed, making it equally at home on city streets or at weekend car shows. The seller describes the truck as having no significant mechanical or cosmetic issues, and it comes with a clean Florida title. Thousands of dollars have clearly been invested into transforming this classic pickup into something special. It's not just another old truck, it's a finished project that combines vintage authenticity, tasteful customization, and dependable performance into one unforgettable package. The asking price is $15,000, and the seller is even open to trades, particularly for an OBS short bed single cab truck from the 1988 to 1999 generation. Whether you're a collector searching for a unique GMC, a weekend cruiser for local events, or simply someone who appreciates the timeless appeal of classic American pickups, this 1979 GMC Sierra C15 deserves a place at the top of your list.